This is the open house for the Mueller Park Junior High remodel and addition. Some of my favorite parts of the remodel are, of course, this beautiful new entry and commons area. It's fantastic. It's lightened up everything. We used to have long halls that were dark and brick, and now we've got big open spaces here. The other thing is the new classrooms, and they have windows. We've opened up classrooms so that there's more natural light, and that is conducive to a good learning environment, and so we're super excited about the new classrooms. The media center is also very cool because it used to have carpet on the walls and it was just dark and kind of brown, and now it's light. Another really fantastic part of the remodel is a refinishing of our gym floor. We've got a beautiful white ceiling, new speakers, great sound system. We feel like we're in a new building, but we have the beauty of this setting and the traditions of Mueller Park Junior High.
Well, we were really excited to partner with the district to kind of reimagine what Mueller Park could be. Over the last couple of years, we've gone through a number of phases and transitions as we've expanded the classrooms to the east here. In addition to the south, we've also made some improvements to some of the infrastructure within the building, added air conditioning, which I think everybody appreciates, and then done some pretty fantastic work out on the western edge to really bring the people into the building a little bit better. One of our main concerns was addressing some of the security within the building. It was foremost in our mind, and we wanted to make sure that the new administration area was positioned well above the common space so that the administrators had good line of sight and access, so they could see who was coming into the building. And in addition to that, just create a fun and positive environment that people could be welcomed into the space with.
Some of the challenge we have with doing remodel projects on schools is keeping the kids separated from the construction during the middle of it, trying to keep them safe, keep as least impact as we can on the teachers. But everyone was really good to work with, probably one of the better schools, the best schools I've worked with as far as administration, and being understanding and working with us to get the project done. So it was very good.
I love all the natural light. I love being able to let the sunlight in my room. I was in one of the old classrooms on the other side, and you had the little triangle windows, and we barely ever got any sunlight, and if you turned off the light, it was just dark. But I love even having my lights dim and being able to have the sunlight come in and just light up my room. I love that.
It really helps me to learn better when it's a lot lighter in the school, because before it just seemed kind of dark and a little foggy, and once they did the remodel, it just kind of helped us learn better. As I've taken people around, that they've said that they really liked the new school and how new it looks, and they can't believe it's the same school.
The community and students just walk in and just everybody says, I love this new school, and it feels open, it's airy, and everything was so dark before. So that's one of the best parts, is that I think everybody just feels it's just calmer and open and inviting, and so that's been the major reaction as people walk in.